Welcome back, guys. This week we are going to do All About Me, which is fun for the kids because it's all about them. So our first one is going to be an eye color chart, which is large group, math, and language and communication. All you'll need is a piece of paper and a permanent marker, and you'll put eye color chart on top. And then you'll put blue, hazel, brown, gray, green, and those are just to name a few of different eye colors. And what you'll do is you'll have the kids sit down and you'll say, who has blue eyes? And they'll raise their hand. Who has hazel eye color? And they'll raise their hand. And you can include yourself, and what you'll do is you'll just put an X by it and tally up how many kids have blue eyes, how many kids have hazel eyes, how many kids have brown eyes, how many kids have gray, how many kids have green. And it's very fun because you can put it up and let the kids see it afterwards. And it gets them talking and communicating, gets them counting, which is all very important at this age. So that's the eye color chart. That's activity 1. And then we have a height chart, which, as you can see, I just have little pieces of paper cut up, and you'll find a wall and you'll put the kids' name on there. So I have my daughter Harper on one. I have my daughter Hannah on one, Elizabeth, and my son Noah. And you'll just put their name right next to how tall they are. And you can keep doing that as they grow. So every couple of months you can move their name up and let the kids see the progress, and then they'll get to point out, hey, my name's right there. This is how tall I am. Okay? And that is math and language and communication. So it's very simple, and it's a great activity to keep up on, especially with kids, because they'll want to know if they've gotten any taller. Alright, so our next one is going to be making collages, and you just need the kids to pick out a piece of construction paper, or you can use white. And you'll have glue, you can have colored pencils, beads, feathers, glitter, glue, popsicle sticks, sorted stickers, and you'll just let the kids create their own collage, and they can make whatever they want. And you can ask them towards the end, so what is this collage of? What's happening in it? Ask them questions and write down what they say. So this is mine. And I just have different things, and I have everything is awesome. And this, like I said, this is great for the kids because they can use different materials and tell you what they're doing. So that is an art, and that's making a collage. Alright, and then we have activities outside. You can use a pen, you can use a permanent marker. I'm going to use a permanent marker. So you're going to write games, activities, outside. And this is going to be for a large group. And it's talking language and communication. So you ask kids, what kind of games do you like to play outside? What kind of activities do you like to play outside? So soccer, football, hopscotch, jump rope, hide and seek, Red Rover, Swings, Tag, Races, food truck. And you can take this stuff and you can have them create it outside, and it's their ideas. So it's going to be the favorite thing they like to play outside, and there's so many things you can do outside. Kickball. And this is great for school agers too, because they can guess, they can talk, and they can let you know what their favorite activity is to do outside. So that is outside time. That is favorite activities to do outside. It's language and communication. Alright, so our last one is going to be All About Me poster. I would use a dark pen or a marker, permanent marker, fine tip permanent marker. And what you're going to put on there is you're going to put so-and-so's poster. And you could put favorite color. So what is their favorite color? Favorite music. Favorite food. Favorite cartoon. Favorite activity. What they like to do. And you can put favorite sweet. Their favorite drink. They can tell you something about their family. Hobbies. That's always a good one. And then you could put a picture of them on the All About Me poster, and a coloring or a drawing that they want to do. And it'd be good if you did it too, just so they can read about you and they have something to, oh, my teacher's favorite color is purple. So my favorite color is purple. I like a variety of music. I like pizza, but I'm also not that picky either. I used to like the Rugrats cartoon. I still do. I like to color. I like to hang out with my family and friends. I like chocolate. I do like soda and chocolate milk. I drink a lot of soda. My family, I have 3 daughters two of which are identical twins. Husband, a son, and we have one dog and one cat. So we have a full house. My hobbies, YouTube videos, reading and watching movies, during the summer, outside, being outside, and camping. So, like I said, it's a good idea if you do it too, just so the kids can see your All About You poster. And so that is in language and communication. It also is art, and it's also using the child's imagination. So we did eye color chart, which is a large group math and language and communication. We did a height chart, which is math and language and communication. We did making collages, which is art. We did playing games outside poster, which is language, communication, and outside time. And we did an All About Me poster, which is language and communication and art. So a lot of these can tie hand in hand with each other. I really hope you guys enjoyed that, and I will see you next time. Have a good night.